Why is this drill not starting on me? This drill's not starting on me. That's better. Today, I am going to show you how to fit a ground anchor, one of these beauties. How to fit a ground anchor to a concrete floor and secure your mountain bike. I'm Wully Meena, Scotland's first trans mountain biker. Today I am going to show you how to secure a ground anchor to a concrete floor and secure your mountain bike. And to assist me in this endeavour, I will be using this beast. Wully Meena can do anything that a man can do. My first task is to use this little Diddy drill to make some pilot holes for the ground anchor. Oh no, I'm starting to lose some of my lippy. So, to secure the ground anchor to the concrete floor, I use these M10 bolts. The Burg Wachter ground anchor sounds wonderfully German to me. And so, stage 1 is to drill 2 pilot holes like so. Oh, yes. Oh, Wully Meena. Oh. That felt wonderful. Oh, that drill when it shakes goes right through my body. Actually, I've decided to reposition the Burg Wachter ground anchor because I think it will be more secure lengthways like so. Hole number 2. And for my favourite bit, tapping the housing of the M10 bolt into the ground. Oh, so satisfying. And now for the final stage of the process. Fitting the bolts to the ground anchor with a 6mm Allen key. Here we go. Why is this one squeaky? Very squeaky. Oh. And there we have it. Nice and secure. Solid. On the floor. A top job by Wully Meena. And now, to finish the job, we have to put these wee ball bearings into the head of the bolts. They're to stop people tampering with my installation. This is how you fit them. With a hammer. Oh. Number one. Just like that. Put the ball bearing in there. And in she goes. No tampering with that beauty. And number two. Like so. Well done, Wully Meena. Now that is how you fit a ground anchor to a concrete garage floor. And if anyone makes any comments about my artwork today, I will find you. And I will have you. In the old-fashioned way.
Oh my God, my God! Get away! Get away from me!
Yeah, I'm going to have you, boy!
Oh my God, my God, my God! Fucking hell! No!
Oh, where is he? Where are you? I'm coming for you. I'll find you. I'm going to get you. You can now call me Wully Meena.